Portable outdoor rocking chair quickly and easily folds flat for storage and transportation. It also has a mesh backrest. Outdoor rocking chair, portable folding chair quickly and easily folds flat for simple storage and transportation. Sturdy powder-coated steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, includes padded armrests and built-in beverage holder. Quality construction, constructed from sturdy powder-coated steel, foldable chair frame supports up to 250 pounds and includes padded armrests, a mesh backrest, and beverage holder. Patented spring-action rocking technology delivers smooth rocking motion anywhere outdoors, lawn, patio, camping or tailgating. Smooth rocking, folding rocking chair with patented spring-action rocking technology rocks on most outdoor surfaces. Use this outdoor folding chair as a rocking camp chair, lawn chair, or sports chair. Top reviews from the United States. The Freestyle rocker chair is perfect if you are shorter than 5 feet 6 inches. Very easy to fold. The Freestyle rocker chair is perfect if you are or shorter than 5 feet 6 inches. For tall persons, I would say the road trip rocker chair is better. My wife is shorter than I am and I had to return the road trip rocker since it doesn't work well at all for short persons. We bought this Freestyle rocker instead for her. She says it's perfect for her height. She can reach the ground easily and rock with a natural ease. It's much better for her in her case. It's very easy to fold. The weight is a little on the heavy side compared to a standard director's chair, but this is to be expected since the shocks and supporting bars are extra weight added to the chair. Maybe the length of the seat could be 1 or 2 inches longer. Not too much should be added since this allows for shorter persons to reach the ground with complete ease to rock.